If you want to delete Chrome history permanently on your current device, this video will show you the fastest way to do it. We're going to remove browsing history, cached images, and cookies so your local Chrome data is cleared properly. This is perfect if you want to clean up your browser, free up some space, or remove old records from your device. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on the device you want to clean. Once Chrome is open, use a keyboard shortcut to bring up the Clear Browsing Data window. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. This shortcut takes you directly to the Data Clearing menu, which saves you from digging through settings. When the menu appears, at the top, find the Time Range drop-down menu. Click it, and change the setting to All Time. This is the key step if you want to delete Chrome history as completely as possible from the current browser profile on this device. Next, make sure the right boxes are checked. Turn on browsing history so your visited websites are removed. Then check cookies and other site data, which signs you out of most websites and clears stored site data. Also check cached images and files so Chrome deletes saved temporary files that may still be stored locally. These three options are the main ones you want for a full local cleanup. If you're in the Advanced tab, you may see additional options like Download History, Passwords, Autofill Data, or Site Settings. Only select those if you really want them removed too. If your goal is just to clean up Chrome history and related browsing data, the browsing history, cookies, and cache options are usually the most important. Once everything is selected, double-check the time range one more time and confirm it says All Time. That way, Chrome isn't just deleting recent activity, it's removing the data across the entire local browsing history stored on this device. When you're ready, click the blue Delete Data button. Chrome will process the request and clear the selected records from your browser. Depending on how much data you have, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. After it finishes, your browser history, cookies, and cached files will be cleared from the current Chrome profile on that device. If you want to be extra thorough, you can also repeat the process on any other Chrome profiles you use, because each profile stores its own history separately. One important note: deleting Chrome history this way removes local browser data from the device, but it may not erase activity that's saved in your Google account if sync or web activity tracking is enabled. So if you want a more complete cleanup, you may also want to review your Google account activity settings separately. But for clearing Chrome history on the device itself, this is the correct method. And that's it. You've now deleted Chrome history permanently from your current browser data using the built-in Clear Browsing Data tool. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials, tech tips, and step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.